Today I am going to tell you about PyAutoGUI in Python. So all about PyAutoGUI you will learn today. For that you require to install Python, PyCharm and PyAutoGUI library. PyAutoGUI is a cross-platform GUI automation Python module for human beings, used to programmatically control the mouse and keyboard. It is meant only for the control of the mouse and keyboard and detect the screen position and the object position on the keyboard on the screen. And keyboard and mouse control, how it will do all keyboard presses done by the PyAutoGUI are sent to the window that currently has focus. As if you had pressed the physical keyboard key, it will detect. Then second three thing we will run today for PyAutoGUI. First is keyboard and mouse control. Second is display message box, how to display the message box. And third is a screenshot function, which I already told you how to take the screenshot on using the PyAutoGUI. For that you required a pillow for image related feature. PyAutoGUI uses the pillow for image related feature. Now learn how you can do it in the Python. For that you have to import the PyAutoGUI. So you go to the Google, there you write PyAutoGUI in Python. So it will PyAutoGUI in Python. So it will give you a library and you get it from there PyAutoGUI and install in your system. Go down here. This is the PyAutoGUI. You copy the link and go to your terminal in PyCharm, and there you have to write pip install PyAutoGUI and press enter. This will install your PyAutoGUI and you will able to use it. Now how to write the program in using PyAutoGUI? For that I am going to presentation view so you can see the what I am writing. First of all you have to write screen width and screen height. You want to screen width and screen height by using PyAutoGUI. So you write PyAutoGUI dot size. It will give you the screen width and screen height. Print it and find out the screen width and height. Then current mouse X and current mouse Y position. It will give PyAutoGUI position. By writing PyAutoGUI position, you will get the mouse position. Then print current mouse X and current mouse Y. First of all, I will tell you how to write it and then I will run one by one and tell you how to do it. Then PyAutoGUI double click. It will double click on your screen. Then PyAutoGUI move to position 510 510, duration 2, twin PyAutoGUI dot ease in out quad. So it will move the your cursor or mouse cursor on the position 510 510. Then it will write hello world on interval of 0.25 seconds. Then PyAutoGUI press escape and then it will go to right left and key up, then hotkey, then alert. This is the alert box. It will give alert box. You press OK there. Then PyAutoGUI dot confirm. Shall I proceed? So you can cancel it or OK it. And then PyAutoGUI confirm. enter option button are A, B, C, and if you want B then you press B, otherwise you can press another one. And then PyAutoGUI prompt what is your name, then it will tell you the whatever you name your name you can type there. And for PyAutoGUI password, enter password, text will be hidden, you can't see the password there. And then you come out, and now you can take the screenshot from the computer. For that you have to write IM1 PyAutoGUI screenshot. IM1 save my screenshot.png. So it will save your screenshot by name of my screenshot png. IM2 my AutoGUI screenshot my screenshot.png. If you write IM in place of a screenshot, you can also take the button shot also. So come on the come out from presentation view and run all lines one by one, and you will get the answer. Now from here I am commenting it and I will tell you how to do it. First of all, you will get the screen position and mouse cursor position. So run it and get it. This is the screen position 1366768 and 319,58 of the mouse position. Then you set double click and move to the 51010. So it will move there and write hello world. So run it, move to the 51010 position and write the hello world. Clear? So next it will press the escape key, left key, shift key, control key and alert box. Up till the control C we will do. So run it and find out. It's moving down, then giving the hello world, it's giving the screen position, mouse position, then finish it. Then now I want to take a alert box one by one. For that, first of all I am going to take the alert box, that is, this is the alert box. So run it and find out. It's telling hello world, then giving you alert box. So in just a few lines you can write your alert box here, and then you can get the shall I proceed or not. So you can either press OK or either you can press cancel. For that it will again write hello world, then give the alert box, then shall I proceed. If you say cancel, then it will cancel. Next you have to get the 3 buttons and you have to type name and password. For that you have to write PyAutoGUI confirm, enter option button A, B, C, and PyAutoGUI prompt what is your name, and then you type your name, PyAutoGUI password, enter password, text will be hidden. This is the default value, OK, cancel, BALM, showered face. You can type or your own. So just see. giving hello bird, screen size, mouse position, screen position, then alert button, then shall I proceed, then press enter option, then write your name. You need not to write what you mentioned there, and you can write any password, then it will come out. Now I want to take the screenshot. For that you have to write any variable in which object in which you want to capture the screen. For that you have to write PyAutoGUI screenshot. So write IM1 PyAutoGUI screenshot, then IM1 save my screenshot. Now I want to save it also. So IM1 dot save my screenshot. Then IM2 equals to PyAutoGUI screenshot my. Now you want to show this screenshot, PyAutoGUI screenshot my screenshot dot png. It will goes to second object. Now run it. Giving hello world, screen size, mouse position, then alert box, then shall I proceed, then take button, write name, and press password whatever you want to give, and this will take the screenshot. Now you want to see the screenshot, then you have to view the project. Here you will get a screenshot. This is the screenshot which we are getting in this window. So this is the screenshot. Even you can detect the button position also. You try it by your own self. I have taken, there is a second screenshot which I have taken IM2 in IM2. So this is the second screenshot. So there are two shots which you can have taken in this program. You can view it into the presentation view. Now see the hang somewhere. So it is hang somewhere. So leaving this today, it is all viewers. Thank you. If you like it, please share and subscribe and learn more Auto GUI property. So this is the screenshot which is open. Just close it. So this is the screenshot which is open. So see the viewport. Main, open the main. This is the screenshot which I was clicking. So close it first. Stuck somewhere. Come to main. Now, this is the presentation view in which you see the whole program again. Import PyAutoGUI, then screen width and height, then mouse position, then you have to double click, then you have to move your mouse on 510, then you have to write hello world, then escape, then you have to move your cursor left, then shift, then control C, and then again you will get the alert box. Then it will ask you, shall I proceed? Then enter option for buttons ABC. There are 3 buttons, you have to select any one. Then you have to, it will ask you a name, you press the name, then password, which is hidden form, and then you have taken a screenshot by using PyAutoGUI. This is all, viewers. Thank you. If you like it, please